This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: always replace the shock absorbers as a set. Never replace just one of them. Block the front wheels. Remove the rear wheel hubcaps and loosen the lug nuts. Raise the rear of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheels. Support the rear lower control arm with a floor jack. Remove the shock absorber upper mounting nut and bolt. Remove the shock absorber lower nut and bolt. Remove the shock absorber. Install the new shock absorber and mounting fasteners. Tighten the upper mounting fastener to 54 foot-pounds. Tighten the lower mounting fastener to 74 foot-pounds. Then tighten an additional 90 degrees. Install the wheel and lug nuts. Then lower the vehicle. Tighten the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds.